While they're generally passive, crocodiles are predators, and certain conditions could see changes in behavior.
Behavioral change, just like any other animal, can be preempted by humans. So people feeding crocodiles somewhere where they know, so a fishing village, gutting the fish, throwing it. The crocodile gets used to that easy meal and associates people with being fed. Just like not a dog or a cat that you usually feed and it comes around all the time. And we don't encourage this because it can lead to tragic interactions. So, a crocodile may see someone and now approach instead of retreating.